Hi guys and welcome back. Airbus has launched the all-new H175M, the newest member of the Airbus helicopters family, offering a vital replacement for Puma and Super Puma military fleets. Coming with the largest fuel tank capacity in its class, the H175M boasts an impressive radius of action of nearly 300 nautical miles and an endurance close to 6 hours. With 12 cubic meters of space, the cabin will be the largest on the market for a helicopter of this size and therefore perfectly adapted for carrying troops. The interior has been ergonomically designed to seat 2 pilots and up to 16 troops, with back-to-back foldable seats and large doors, facilitating quicker and easier entry and exit for soldiers. It also features an internal cargo space of 2.3 cubic meters, easily accessible from the cabin, meaning that the soldiers can have vital access to additional equipment without leaving the helicopter. Although it is mainly designed for troop transport and special forces missions, an electronic warfare system and machine guns, which can be fired either from the front windows or from lateral doors, will also be added. Airbus H175M is powered by two Pratt & Whitney engines, having a takeoff power of 1324 kilowatts and a cruising speed of 267 kilometers per hour. Guys, if you like the new Airbus H175M, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks!